This is a very fun, silly video. Hey, what do you hear? What do you say? My Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, your sister's ass, the Pony Express. Vic Dibitetto here. I mean, a beautiful day and cheesecake and coffee. You see, folks, a lot of people say, Vic, so what do you do when you're not performing on stage? Well, I'm not much different than any of you people. I like to watch the Yankees. I like to make love to Lucy. Well, not in that order. You know what I'm saying. I just happen to think of the Yankees first because they're doing so good right now. But whatever. Simple things in life. Nothing like, I just came back from the diner. The best cheesecake is from any diner. And I've been all over this great country of ours, and New York and New Jersey has the best diners. I think Jersey holds the record for the most diners. Google it. You could tell it's good cheesecake. It's very, look at this. It's like very creamy. Oh. It's just, it's so heavenly. I don't understand people that don't like, how do you not like cheesecake? Look at that. Look at the texture. This was definitely baked this morning, I could tell. But I also, what a combination. I like to have fun when I eat. Gotta have fun. Life is too short. Any parents out there, get the children. They would love to do this. See, even they want the cheesecake. This is a very fun, silly video. No cursing, no screaming. Remember you were a kid and you had the Play-Doh machine and it came with all the different pieces to make different shapes? You could do that when you're having cheesecake. Oh, well, yeah. Put a lot of cheesecake in your mouth. Huh? And get a comb. Get a comb. Watch this. Look. How cool is that? Make sure it's a clean comb, of course. You could also use, like, you ever see these utensils that you hang up? You know where I'm going with this, right? So check this out. Got to put a lot. That's the key. Put the hand. Remember the handle? Look. There you go. Your own little Play-Doh machine. Nothing goes to waste. I'll talk to you later. Oh.